everyone, I am your Deepak. I welcome you all to your YouTube channel Excellent Academy. In my previous session, I have explained you how to do multiplication using base method for the numbers which are below my base. In this session, I am going to explain you how to do multiplication using base method for the numbers which are above my base. So without wasting much of our time, let us explain this concept. Okay, so I will go for the very first problem, that is I am multiplying 101 and 104. See, these two numbers are above your 100. The base is what? 100, and these two numbers are above 100. Above means plus. Okay, so this is above by plus 1 and this is above by plus 4. Okay, above means what? Plus. If it is below, I am going to represent it by minus sign. If it is above, I am going to represent it by plus sign. This is above by 4 and it is above by 1. So now I need to do cross addition. Either this or this you can do. This will become 105. Okay. Now if 4 into 1 is what? It is 4. But you check out 100 got how many zeros? 2 zeros. So I need to write this as in 2 digit only. 4 is written as 04. Okay, so answer for this example is 10504. 100 got 2 zeros, so I need to write 4 in 2 digit only. How to write? 04. So answer for this question is 10504. Hope you have understood. So let me explain one more example now. So again the base for this is 100. So this is above by plus 8. This is above by plus 12. Okay, then I will go for cross addition. If you can do this or you can do this, answer will be same. So this will be 120. Okay, similarly you can do here, it's also 120 only. Then I need to multiply 12 and 8. 12 8 is what? 96. Check out 100 got how many zeros? 2 zeros. Here 96 is how many digit? 2 digit. So I can write directly. So answer for this example is 12096. Hope you have understood. Let me go for one more example now. So I am multiplying 1013 and 1005. The base for this example is 1000. What is the base? 1000 is your base. This is above by 13. Above means plus. This is above by 5. Okay. Then you go for cross addition. It will become what? 1018. Okay. Then 13 5 is 65. 65 is a 2 digit answer. But 1000 got how many zeros? 3 zeros. So I will write it as 065. The answer for this example is 1018065. 1018065. Okay, I'll go for one more example now. So I am multiplying 1025 and 1009. The base is same, that is 1000. Now this is above by 25 and this is above by 9. Go for cross addition. It will become 1034. 25 plus 9 what? 34. Then I need to multiply these two. 25 9 times is definitely 225. The base is what? It's 1000. It has got 3 zeros and this is also 3 digit. So I am going to write the answer. Okay. So my answer is 1034225. Hope you understood. Let me go for one more example. So here the base is what? The base is now 10,000. What is your base? The base is 10,000. Okay, 10,000 got how many zeros? 4 zeros. And this is above by plus 133 and this is above by plus 13. Go for cross addition. 3 plus 3 is 6. This is 4. This is 101. So the answer is already ready. So I need to multiply this. 133 into 13 times. 13 3s is what? 39, 3 carry. 13 3 is 39. 39 plus 3 is 42. 4 carry. 13 plus 4 is 17. Now you check how many zeros in your 10,000? 4 zeros. And what? How many digit answer this is? 4 digits. So you can write directly 1729. The answer for this example is 101461729. Hope you have understood. Let me go for one more example now. So I am multiplying. Okay. Now 10,393 and 10,015. So the base is same. That is your 10,000. This is above by 393. Above means plus sign. This is above by 15. Above means plus sign. And now I have to do cross addition. This way or this way. Okay. Now 5 plus 3 is 8. 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry 1. This will become 4. This is 0 and 1. So this is 10408. Then I need to multiply these two. 393 and your 15. Okay. 15 3s is what? 45. 4 carry. 15 9s is 135. 135 plus 4 is 139. 13 carry. 15 3s is 45. 45. 58. So answer is 5895. See how many digit answer, zeros are there in your 10,000? 4. Here 4 digits. So we write it 5895. So answer for your example is 104085895. Hope you have understood. Okay, I will go for one more example now. I am multiplying. Okay, so 11,589 and 10,014. Now the base is 10,000 only here. This is above by 1589. This is above by 14. Go for cross addition. This way or that way. Okay. 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry 1. 8, 9, 10. Carry 1. This will become 6. This is 1, 1. Okay. Then I need to multiply 1589 and you are 14. Okay. Using Vedic mathematics, I am going to multiply now. Okay. Okay, so answer, if I multiply this, it will be 22246. It has got how many zeros? 4 zeros. But what I am getting is 5 digit. Okay, so then what you need to do, the 5th digit should be carry forwarded. Okay, the remaining 4 digit you write as it is 2246. The answer for this example is 11605224. This is my answer. The answer for this example is 11605224. Okay, hope you have understood. I will go for one more example now. So now I am multiplying. Okay, so 1,08,000 and 1,11,000. Okay, so what is a base? Definitely base should be what? 1 lakh. Count how many zeros are there in your 1 lakh? 5 zeros. Okay, this is above by 8, this is above by 11. Done. So first what you do? Cross addition. 8 plus 11 is 19. 1, 0, 0, 1, 9. Okay. Then I need to multiply this. 11, 8 is what? 88. Now count how many zeros are there in your 1 lakh? 5 zeros, but it's a 2 digit. So I will write 3 zeros. Now it is 5 digit. So I write it here. 0, 0, 0, 88. The answer for this example is 10001900888. Hope you have understood by this example. Okay, so like this you can do multiplication using your base method. Hope you have understood with this example. See, in my previous session I have explained you how to do multiplication using base method for the numbers below my base. Before you go for this session, I kindly request everyone to go through the previous video. Okay, if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me. My WhatsApp number is 9742331968. Okay, if you have not still subscribed my channel, subscribe right now and don't forget to click on the bell button for the updates. If you like my videos, like it and share it. Thank you.